In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a huddle in Slack. Now, it's important to start with a quick clarification. Slack doesn't let you schedule a huddle in the same way you might schedule a Zoom or calendar meeting. There isn't a built-in schedule for later button specifically for huddles. Instead, the way most people handle this is by picking a time, letting everyone know in advance through a message, and then starting an instant huddle at that agreed time. So think of it as scheduling by communication and coordination, rather than using a scheduling feature. First, decide when you want to meet and who needs to be there. You might say something like, "Let's do a quick huddle at 3 p.m. to discuss the project update." Send that as a regular message in the Slack channel or direct message where you want the conversation to happen. This makes the plan clear, gives people a chance to confirm, and also keeps the time reference in the right place so it's easy to find later. When it's time for the call, open the channel or direct message where you want to host the huddle. This is important because huddles are tied to a specific conversation space. If it's a team-wide discussion, open the relevant channel. If it's just between you and one other teammate, open your direct message thread with them. Taking a moment to double-check the conversation you're in can prevent you from accidentally starting a huddle in the wrong place. Next, look at the conversation header at the top of the Slack window. You'll see a small headphone icon there. This is the huddle button. To start an instant huddle, simply click the headphone icon. In some layouts, you might see a small arrow next to it. Clicking that arrow will show you additional options depending on your Slack setup, like switching devices or adjusting some basic settings before you join. As soon as you start the huddle, Slack will post a small notification in that channel or direct message showing that a huddle is in progress. Other members of the conversation will see this message along with a join button. At this point, you can start talking right away. As people see the notification, they can click to join the audio chat and participate. That's all there is to it. You schedule the huddle by agreeing on a time in a message, then start an instant huddle in the right channel or direct message when that time arrives. Click the headphone icon and let people join from the in-channel notification.